Organic versus genetically modified foods. One cannot think well, love well, sleep well if one has not dined well. For a long time, people have argued about organic food and genetically modified foods. These concepts are causing debates in our society. Organic foods have been around for decades. It was one of the ways in which farmers produce their own foods and also a way to feed the soil and control pests. Organic farming is a type of agriculture that relies on techniques such as crop rotation, green manure, compost, and biological pest control. Additionally, organic foods must be grown in safe soil, have no modifications, and must remain separated from conventional products. Transferring DNA between organisms introduced the history of genetically modified foods in the 1940s. Genetically modified foods are generated and tested in laboratories, manipulated and altered by human hands. There are many differences between organic foods and genetically modified products. Organic food must follow a strict set of guidelines in order to be considered organic. On average, organic samples contained higher total antioxidants and beneficial phytonutrients like polyphenols and flavonoids than conventionally raised foods. The term organic must be used for a food to be labeled as 100% organic by the USDA. If a product has less than 70% organic ingredients by weight, it may not be labeled as having organic ingredients. They want to give consumers the kind of information they want to know. People just want to get more information about what they will consume, and it is a good way for them to decide what they want to buy. The farmers argue that when you buy organic, you buy a way of life that is committed to not exploiting the planet. Genetically modified foods are foods in which organisms have had very precise changes made to their DNA. They are grown with synthetic or chemical fertilizers. Moreover, this example of the problem with genetically modified food shows that the plants are modified, making them more prevalent. If we go back to when it was not modified food, we realize that there was a healthier diet. People had less illness because there were no ingredients used to alter food growth. It was all natural. In comparison to this time, technology is not in our favor with relationship to our health. Consuming the highest nutrient quality is the best way for a healthy life, and that you can get that by eating organic food that provides quality nutrients.